Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix WhatsApp contact names not showing. So guys, if you are using WhatsApp and facing the issue that only showing number on your WhatsApp chat and names are not showing, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, easily you can fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, simply you need to open your settings in your phone, and guys, after this you need to scroll down and click on app management, and after this you need to click on app list, and after here you need to find WhatsApp. So here you can see WhatsApp. So guys, simply you need to click on it, and after this you need to click on permissions. So guys, simply click on it, and after this here you can see the option of contact. So guys, simply you need to click on it, and guys, make sure that it is allow. So guys, if it is don't allow, then guys you need to make allow, and after doing allow, then all the contact names are showing in your WhatsApp. So guys, after doing this method, if still not showing contact names, then you need to go back, and here you can see storage and cache. So guys, simply you need to click on storage and cache and click on clear cache, and guys, after doing this you need to go back. And guys, the third method is you need to update your WhatsApp. So guys, how can you update? So guys, simply you can update your WhatsApp. So guys, open your Play Store in your phone, and guys, here you need to search WhatsApp, and after searching WhatsApp you need to click on WhatsApp, and guys, here is the option of update. So guys, simply you need to click on update here, and guys, after doing update, your problem will be fixed and you will be able to show the contact names on your WhatsApp. So guys, after doing all the methods, if still not showing WhatsApp contact names on WhatsApp, then guys, simply you need to delete your app from your phone, uninstall. And guys, after doing uninstall, simply you need to reinstall again from your Play Store and log in again your account. And after doing these things, then your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.